Okay, 45 seconds till open. We are trading, paper trading, 79,750. This is how much I have on this account. Let's see how it goes today at the open. Alright, so market is pushing even lower just before the open. There we go, and we have the open now. I'm gonna go long immediately. Did you buy that? No, I can buy it. Oh god damn it, it's just now I'm having 4. Okay, so we're gonna have to close 2. Okay, I'm closing 2 because I want to have only 2 contracts. Let's see. So I'm looking at 15 minutes candlesticks. What's the target for this trade? Somewhere here. Now, obviously, it's the first liquidity sweep. Should expect the price to get there. I might close everything when we get there, but and then reload. So if you watch the preparation video, that's pretty much what I wanted to do. We did take that low just before the market opened, so not much liquidity below. And I think, okay, that's 15 minutes. Here's the liquidity pretty much. So we should get somewhere here as a minimum. What happened with my order? Disappeared. Let's put it again. Just sell one here. Obviously stop loss is below. I mean, I'm gonna close this earlier than that. We start to go below this candle. I'm out. So that's just first 3 minutes. That is looking very nice. I want to take some off before we hit this. So I'm looking at this volume profile and I see that they could push into that level. Are you gonna do it? I'm gonna have to. Push. Good. All right. We got the second one. I think on the button, because even if we get up there, most likely we drop. It's a pretty decent move. 6 points. That would not surprise me if we get down the moment we push into this level here. Yeah. So I'm actually going to take that in this place. Can you please do that for me? Well, I don't know why is it so slow. Not probably everything. Yep. Am I short? So, let's see if we have anything open at this point. No, there's no open position. Fine. It's just OBS is making this computer very slow. All right. Okay. So what was that? I can't remember. What was it? 79, some 900 something. Can't remember. But we did take 58 with 67. So I think we took like 8 points, 2 contracts. One was taken maybe 600, maybe $600. Just from the open. Okay, fine. So what else do we see? Let's quickly switch what Nasdaq is doing. Similar story. I think it would be wise to try to catch this one more time somewhere here. At 7 minutes from the open, we did sell, so the transaction of grabbing that liquidity and selling it, grabbing the bottom and selling into the high is completed. Transaction is completed. So yeah, well, here we can actually see the history. You can see, have we done enough? Account history. Okay, 400 and 318. And yeah, this is what I closed these two contracts. So yeah, $700 just like that at the open. And we have not even got to my target. And I want to buy this. I want to buy this somewhere here. So let's switch this into 5 minutes. So we're trading first 10 minutes. Well, you can see grab liquidity, grabbing liquidity, and pushing and selling into that. The transaction is over now. That transaction is over and market can do anything now. It might continue lower. We might start to build more liquidity and push into these highs. Anything can happen. It's very important to recognize the liquidity and the time frame what market is working on. 15 minutes and half an hour are really good time frames to work on. Are we patient? We are patiently waiting for another trade, but that means that we can just show up around here for another 15 minutes. We might even go and grab that low, and then we can continue high. That would not surprise me if we get down here, grab that low. Because imagine that a lot of longs jumped on that thing here. People were buying, hoping for a push. A lot of liquidity will be added here on the buy side, and market could easily get down there through the opening price, through London sell side, grab the whole liquidity, tap into this order block, and then boom, go up there. So patience is the key right now. Here's another level of liquidity. And let's have a look on RTH. RTH looks like this. See that? Let's just get rid of this view up because it doesn't show much at the moment. So we have pushed into this liquidity, but the gap close because we opened gap down. Gap close will be here, 690. But I don't think we're gonna get there. Let's still play around. Like I said, take the 15 minutes candle long, tap into this order block, maybe later. Maybe later. There's no trade right now. Nothing to do. Just wait. So I did drop a video here and the preparation for today's session open. You might go and watch that. Basically, we have and this is 13th minute right now from the open, and as you can see it doesn't look so great anymore. Transaction has been completed up here. And I don't buy that thing. I don't think it's just gonna continue. Maybe. But they have no reason to start pushing because now they need to create another liquidity. They played that liquidity. They already played that liquidity. They grabbed it. Let's see how many points. It was 55 and we dropped to 53. Okay, so that's 2 points. That's a decent stop loss run. That's a decent stop loss run. 55 and 50, yeah, 52.75. So no reason to go into that, but there is a reason to create more liquidity before we go higher. Well, we can try to buy somewhere here. You know, we'll see. Okay, so now we started another 15-minute candle. It's 9:45. So I'm gonna move that. This is the top now of that 15-minute candle. Here's the bottom. And we have a range. Well, we're sitting on $700. So we should be patient now. So any kind of pushes like this, on the first minute of the 15-minute candle, these are just fake pushes. Market doesn't need to go right now up there. It's just, impatient buyers are buying that thing. I don't think market's gonna go. That will be a waste, because it's much better for the market to chop around here for a while, then maybe go and grab that low, just drop, grab that low, come back, and then go up. It's just flash this, let's call it a bear flag that we start to create here. If we have another 5 minute here, another 5 minute, and then we're just gonna drop and then come back up here, that would make sense for the market. There's not much sense to start pushing higher right now. But that's market. They can do that if they want to. But I would not. It would be a waste. That's what I want to say. That would be a waste to do this. Am I telling you short this right now here, just in front of this? No, I'm not saying that, because we want to go long. We want to go long from here. Let's put this thing back. Sometimes I forget about the levels, and let's put that bit here that we have consumed that liquidity, and that's okay. They tell you not to short, yeah, don't short it, because most likely we're going to push higher. And these are those little, little signs of, okay, they're keeping that liquidity, they're building shorts. They're building shorts, and if you want to short this, it will be like a really quick scalp. But then, even 67, 61, it's a decent scalp. But these longs, you see, I'm not happy. Market can drop, you can just chop around here, and then at some point they're gonna go and grab that thing. You see how the liquidity is added into this volume profile? See how the whole thing is building up here? So you can clearly see where the level is, where they're gonna go. 59. If they want to grab that, they're gonna drop to 59. Minimum, right? We can drop lower, we can even drop all the way down. But that doesn't make really sense to go lower, because we already consumed that bid. We took that. That was a proper stop loss run, 2 points. So I would say we will try to take that bit now. Say that bit here, which we are right now accumulating, creating this liquidity. It's all about liquidity, really. You know, forget about trend lines, and even view up is not really that important anymore. It's all about liquidity. They need to create enough, take it, drop it, come back, and then we're gonna go. And watch the time. 9:51. So they still have 9 minutes on that 15-minute candle. 9 minutes. Well, the danger is that once we drop through this and the panic kicks in, a lot of longs will just dump it and we can go even lower. So you have to see this drop. Are they gonna hold it? Get back into this range long, and then we'll have 60, I don't know, 63, 62 to 69. 62 to 69, it's going to be 7 points, because they're going to push into this and most likely climb into 78 at some point to sell into that liquidity, which is not a lot of liquidity, but relatively the same amount as here. So that's pretty much how far we could go. Yes, they could push through this, but I would not count on this, because there's not a lot of liquidity here when you look at it. So 76. Okay, 7 minutes. Let's see what they're gonna do now. See how they're approaching this, making new highs, immediately selling. And I'm not saying they will not go and not continue up there, because they can do it. I'm not saying that, but that's not my trade. I want to see liquidity grab here. That's what I want to see. Okay, so now they pushed even higher. So we took that 15-minute candle, which means they sold a little bit here for the second time. So we did sell here. Now after all this trading, we sold here. Very tempted to go short. This is VWAP. I'm gonna go short with one contract. And my target would be, you know, somewhere here. When they reverse, get back, grab that. So they have sold for the second time. Let's see if we continue or we drop to grab that 15 minutes candle, which will be ready in 6 minutes. But I want to see a drop. So I'm counter trading this. I need to see it pretty fast. I want to see. Let me just quickly go here. Bring the view up. Where's the view up? Right. Okay, so view up. RTH view up is below. So they have sold into that. Are you going to pull this now into that liquidity to collect it? And I'm going to be like 2 ticks before that, just to make sure I get paid if we drop that. I mean, they need to grab the liquidity. So let's just trade this properly. Liquidity is here. I like this volume. Here's liquidity. Market should get down there. So yeah. Stop loss. Now we can put stop loss. I'll just say 1 tick in front of it, to no risk on it at all. If I had 2 contracts, I would be closing one here. So we're basically tapping into that liquidity which was trapped. We could retest one more time, go back to view up a second time. Yeah, I think I'm going to be stopped. Let's give him a little bit of space. Let's not be so greedy. Give him a little bit of space to, because they still have got that liquidity down here to collect. You know, imagine this, all the longs were jumping on that thing. They got lucky we pushed. They thought like, oh yeah, we're gonna go even higher. The market should now trap them by pushing lower. This is what market should do. That would be the ideal scenario, because they can collect them here, or even lower, but yeah, that's like a minimum. You can see it on the volume profile. But you know, view up again. Okay, let's just, okay, $87. Let's just risk $87 or $100 even, you know, just like this. I would like to move my stop loss, but I need to see the end of this candle. Yeah, 10 o'clock. It's like 1 minute till 10 o'clock. So they made it push just before 10 o'clock, which is another indicator that this is off. This is fake breakout. If they'd done it after, that would be much better. Why? Why is it false breakout? Because they rushed, they pushed through that liquidity without giving enough time to build enough liquidity. They didn't give enough time. And most of the time they work with 15 minutes and another 15 minutes and then another 15 minutes. So they want to push through the 15 minutes candles tops, and they pushed earlier than that. So there you go. See, I think we're going there. And all these longs, they got dropped. I mean, I'm really tempted to grab that. That will make me $1,000 trade. Come on, $1,000 on the day. They should pull that into the liquidity down there, but I'm gonna close to make that $1,000. And let's watch it. I haven't got enough, because sometimes what they can do, because it's on the time, they can still fool around here for another 10-15 bang going there. We would be the target will be hit here, but that's okay. We took over $400 on this trade. So it's look, you've been long, right? You were longing this, you were longing, you got greedy, you add into your position. Now they took the liquidity. Now they got liquidity, and let's see what they're gonna do with it. How far we're gonna drop, because now we got stop losses here. People were putting a lot of stop losses. If we take the stop losses, 60, 58. All right. You see, drop. They grab the liquidity. Look at the volume profile. They grab the liquidity. They don't need to go lower. I'm going to go long. I'm gonna go long. I'm going long here. This market looks like it's coming back into this range again. We can push, into London sell side for sure, and they could do that if they wanted. But might be a bit too early, but that's okay. We're gonna close it. If it's not gonna work, we're gonna close that. That's the main chunk of liquidity that they wanted to go after. This whole range here, all these 5-minute candles. That's the main chunk of liquidity. And if this the price gets accepted again into this range, that means that they grabbed stop losses, and now with all that liquidity, they're gonna drive this price into this level here, and maybe even higher. So let's watch this. I mean, my stop loss is like a mental stop loss right now. I'm gonna watch this and see what this thing is doing. If it drops and comes back, I'm okay. If it drops and holds down there, I might just close this for, I'm watching how far can we go. So this is how far we can go, pretty much. I shouldn't go lower than that, but obviously market can do whatever they wanted to do. Let's quickly have a look on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is dropping, but Russell is holding. Russell is indicated, it helps always ES to hold the price high, so I wouldn't short this right now. You see some buyers coming in. Yeah, it would be nice to see Bookmap here. It would be nice to see Footprint and how this candle looks like, what's happening. So we have to just use time. There's nothing else we have. And time is more important than price, believe it or not. Time is a very important thing. So half an hour of trading here and 5 past 10. Okay, let's see a little bounce. We closed very bearishly on this 5 minute, but it doesn't mean anything. I could close this whole thing and try to catch that lower. Yeah, because now it looks like it could continue lower. Yeah. But at the same time, how much lower you want to go. London sell side. It's possible. It is possible. It is possible. We can go there. Oh, I'm thinking, I'm thinking whether this is a good moment just to say, alright, thank you. I was wrong. Okay, now we okay, now it's a bit too late for that. But it's pretty okay because now we went through. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this. Let's see. Looks like sell side. It will be reached, and that means that I can go and just add one here. At the moment we push through that. We should get some bounce. All right. So we got two. Because now they collected everything. The whole range. 7 past 10. And let's see. Am I wrong? You can be wrong here. Looks like stop loss is bursted now. A drop. That was this stop loss run. 52 to 49. Yeah. What was this flush? And this is how I'm gonna get rid of all the profits that we made today, right? Okay, so Mark had a different idea. Approaching that level here. That level should give a little bit of lift. Okay, well at this point I know I'm wrong. It's just a question, am I going to close minus 800 or I'm going to close minus 500, or is it going to continue lower and close the day negative? Right, back into okay, where's my stop loss? No, my stop loss. This is my target. We should get a little bit of bounce here. Yeah, my mistake was that I allowed this to go down here. I should have closed and wait. We'll re-enter, and if it doesn't work, then close here again. So, and that's okay. We should get a push to 52, and at some point wrong. As we are dropping, but that's okay. There will be a bounce, so there will be a bounce. There we go. I mean, think about it. What have they done? They did sell into this liquidity. What a loading shorts. This is imbalance. The market should go and fix that. Let's see if we push back into London sell side and we get accepted up there in this area. So okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's beautiful. Alright, let's just take the loss of $200. No problem. And let's watch this now. What can we expect? Nice bounce. No point to hold because yeah, okay, you're gonna hold and hope that we're gonna push high and then we don't. So to be honest, you could even short this here right now. Maybe not now, not here, but well, yeah, you could, technically you could actually. I'm gonna go short here because we have some trap people here, so I wanna try that short and see whether we go and drop into. No, So we have just created a 15-minute candle. We have one more 15 seconds on this candle. A new one will open in 3 seconds. And let's see what they're gonna do. Now we're gonna drop back into this 50 area, maybe lower. We're gonna hold here and push higher. I wish I could see footprint right now. Okay. Okay, that's long. So that is long. And let's hold it one contract long. Don't know why. Okay, so is one. So if they dropped and collected everything, right? Like we were thinking that they could do it here, but they decided to even pull it there. Now they have an open space to take all the shorts up there into this area here and above. So that's pretty much what the trade is. I'm just gonna hold one contract. I'm expecting a quite fast move. Why fast? Because they should not allow longs to get in again. They shouldn't allow longs to get in again. Let me just go quickly here. This is 5, this is 15 minutes. Let's have a look how the 15 minutes looks like. Okay, so I see that 15 minutes looks hammer. This is the first level, 66, the second level is 73. 66 and 73. So it would be nice to have 2 contracts, but I have only 1. And let's get another one. We'll see if we can catch it at the right price. It would be nice to see footprint on this candle, because that candle will be probably very thick, a lot of volume. Times and sales will tell me that who's buying, who's selling, and you're probably going to see, you know, like plus 50 contracts both here and there, and maybe even more. So 66 is first level to sell. That is 7 points higher, and then we can drive into the highs. Got 11 more minutes. We are holding that. Alright, so we got fair value gap here now. Bullish. I'm gonna add into that, and I expect a pretty swift move high. So I need to sell one here. This is what I need to do. 66. Okay, well, I'm not bothered by the drop because I know that they're gonna be buying that. They have collected liquidity. Look how much liquidity they took. This whole thing, this whole drop, this whole buying from the open drop. They collected everything and now we're going up. They're gonna drive this price into here, probably up there. We'll see. We might even change the plan and hold this price till we get that. Or we just sell everything. We will sell everything here. I don't know. Let's quickly have a look on Nasdaq. What Nasdaq is doing? Is Nasdaq trying to get back? Russell. Not so great. Not so good. Don't like that. But they have time. They still have 9 more minutes, so they want to buy as cheap as possible. But they should drive the price higher, to be honest. They grab the liquidity, so. Not great. Not great. I want to see how this 5-minute candle is going to finish, but so far it doesn't look too good. 2 more minutes on this candle. It's a 5-minute candle. I mean, that drop come back. I mean, that's bullish. That's bullish. Back into the range, holding the price. That's still bullish. Still okay. That's still okay. If we start to drop somewhere here, yeah, I'm done with that trade. Okay, 1 minute. The last minute on the 5-minute candle tells you the truth. So let's see what the truth is. Stop losses here, pretty much. Drop here, we are getting out. I might even get out earlier if I don't like it. Okay, got 8 seconds on this candle. sure. Okay, I would expect they start to buy here again. 5 more minutes. That's gonna be the level of the 15-minute candle. They should push through if they're planning to go higher. Oof. What now? They're gonna go and grab that 5 minutes, so we need to give more space. Doesn't look too good, to be honest. Doesn't look too good. I mean, still okay, but yeah, they did grab that 5 minute liquidity. Okay. We should get a bounce from here. And if you're not gonna get a bounce, I'm out. Still have 4 minutes. Yeah. Testing sell side, liquidity, overnight sell side, London sell side. Okay. Getting back up. It's better. We have buyers. That's the place we should just add now. Because we've got 3 more minutes. We're gonna push. But I'm not gonna add. Just gonna hold. Don't wanna go more than 2 contracts because if something goes wrong, I'm gonna wipe my whole day. And we are in profit right now. I don't know, I think like $800, something like that, maybe 700. 2 more minutes. And we're opening the door for a push higher into the 15 minutes. And then we have another one here. I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna grab one contract here. We'll think about it. We'll see how this market's gonna move now. So we could get a nice push higher. 2 more minutes. 1 minute and 15 seconds. I don't like that. I'm honest with you now. I do not like that at all. It's getting weaker and weaker, but 25 seconds on this candle. Let's see. Mm-mm. 7 seconds. What now? Let's go up. So now we have full the bottom of the hour. This is the level that I can sell into. Let's see if this candle is going to be strong. Candle and push it up there, and then we're going to get another one and continue high. The trade is still valid. We're holding this London sell side. There's no reason to go lower. We took the liquidity properly. But yeah, market can drop. And if it does, then everything tells me it's a bit. We should be moving faster, higher. We're not doing that. Where's Nasdaq? Nasdaq is trying to get back as well. Just let's have a look on something else. Shares. I want to see Nvidia. Is Nvidia bottoming? Okay, Nvidia is catching some bait. It's 15 minutes. It's a 15 minutes, so we okay, the 15 minutes here. Okay, then I go and grab that 15 minutes now, so I need to move my stop loss again. So then I go and grab that. That's a 15-minute bottom. Then I go and grab this and then push higher. There you go. And now yeah, that's a 15-minute grab. Let's see if we're going to push this higher. Well, we have to risk the whole thing. Basically, we have to risk on this trade everything. Because I'm still okay with it. I'm still thinking, now we just grabbed the 15-minute. We should be adding into that. So I see it. I grabbed 15-minute candle bottom. This one here. They have collected liquidity again. And they will try to drive this price now into the 66, sorry, 61. And then there's another level, 66. There you go. And then it's a level which we had here. It's this one here. That's it. There you go. What we can do, we're definitely gonna sell one here when we push into that liquidity. So I don't want to sit on 3 contracts and see, sell and then reverse on me. So I don't want to do that. 34 past. Nice 5-minute candle. There's 15 more seconds on it. Oh, come on. Well, that's looking much better now. That drop. come back, push again. Nice. Will be one leg, the second leg will be up there. They have created enough of liquidity to now to push this back into this level. To stay in the trade because they took London sell side, they are reversing. I can see Nasdaq is reversing, Russell is catching bid, Nvidia is catching a little bit of something as well. So yeah, everything is looking promising. We survived the drop. I mean, what we could do is to sell one just to not to be so heavy. Yeah, let's just see another push, and if we get another push, we'll sell at one contract because we don't need to be 3 contracts. Come on. Yeah, 37, I have time. Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. Should have fucking closed that here at one contract. It's not doing what it's supposed to do, my friend. This thing is not doing what it's supposed to do. It should be already pushing here. Yeah, I should be pushing up there. How to close that? Just close and take this loss. That's what we need to do. Yeah, it's not doing what it's supposed to do. $38. Yeah. Still some buyers, but that liquidity sweep on the 15-minute should produce much better move to the upside. Much stronger move to the upside. And it didn't. Okay, 39. I'm getting back above London sell side. So what now? Still looking like it could push higher. They take time. At any point this can drop. I think I need to get out from that. Not looking good. This candle is looking good so far. See if we're gonna push. No. Okay. Well, maybe now. I need to go above this 56 really. Intuition tells me we're not going up. Intuition tells me reverse. Let's see if that was a good decision. Reverse. Target, I don't know, somewhere here. Take that low. That's a rejection. And I might pay for the decision, so let's see if I'm right or not. Two more minutes on this candle. I think they got me. Oh, man. They got me over reverse again. It's getting accepted again. 43. Motherfuckers. Ah, they played me so badly here, honestly. Yeah, unnecessary ad. Could have got out here when we swept that 15-minute candle. When we swept the 15-minute candle here, I could have got out. I had an opportunity, but now I'm just gonna stay in the straight. Because we on, you know, from plus, I don't know, like 1,000, we are negative now. And there is as well the aspect of knowing when to leave the table, and I do have a problem with this. But to be honest, you know, it was a good trade here. I got too early here. Should have waited maybe for the London sell side just to be swept. Unnecessary, you know, jump on that thing. We went down. Now we're building it up, but that's okay. I can see Nasdaq is coming back. I see Russell's coming back. We're gonna get that push. We're gonna get that push, and we're gonna hold it because a lot of shorts created here. We're gonna get that push, and we'll hold it. We'll hold this whole package till then. Yeah, but the first minute on this candle looked like so bearish. I was like, oh god damn it! Now they're just gonna drop. They played me, but then I realized it was just first or second minute on this candle. And at the back of my head was like, are you really, do you really want to short this at this place? When the candle hasn't finished yet. So I'm okay with holding this long. Now I'm pretty sure it's long. I see Nasdaq is reversing. I see Russell's reversing. Doesn't matter what dollar is doing at this point. It's just about holding now. But again, good opening trades. We were long. We took money here. What we did, I think, can't remember now what we did, but we just made like $700 here. And yeah, I was shorting this thing. We made decent money into this liquidity sweep, and should have, and you could just basically walk away with a good money. But we are getting closer to 11 o'clock where I'm supposed to start trading, and I'm in the trade, and I'm down on a day, big time down, because we were, I think we were 80, 440 on account balance, and now it's 79, 412, and we loaded up with 3 trades, 3 contracts. But I'm gonna stay a bit longer in this because the transaction has not finished. On the bigger scale, they collected that and they should push high. Obviously, my stop loss needs to be here, just in case this thing's just gonna dump. Then this is the end. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, look at this 5 minutes. Like that doesn't mean anything. They can create whatever they want. We have a 15-minute here, liquidity sweep. Let's see if they're gonna push higher. I need to hold this. Man, that's it. Oh man. I think I should just limit my trading to first, to these entries at the open, and then forget it. Just leave it, really. Walk away once I make money, 500, 600, 700, just walk away. Because look what this thing is doing. This is basically what they're doing right now. They're creating liquidity, and you don't know which way they're gonna sweep. They can go down, they can go up, and I'm already sitting in the trade. So it's just okay. We just closed at the bottom. We got 50 past, so that's 1050 macro. right? Which way they're gonna go now? Looks very bearish, right? And then boom, it just goes here and continues high and pushes into this. Nasdaq dropping as well. Yeah. Drive up, yeah, another candle, and we're pushing. It's really no reason to drop lower. It's not even enough liquidity down here to do anything. That ad was really good here when we took the 15 minute and we pushed and we were up there, I think like 200 up. At that point I should have closed at least one contract just to replace and have a better situation here on the short on that long, and it will be much easier to hold this. Much easier to hold that long. So every single time we got into green, immediately we dropped. We just got back into red. But this is 53. That's 7 more minutes, and let's see if we're gonna get reversal now and quick fast move upside. It looks like we can get that. They lured a lot of shorts right now into that. They lured me for a second. London sell side taken. Stop loss is busted. Everything is looking good for a push higher, but market is not doing it. Takes time, a lot of time. And now we're gonna grab a 15-minute candle bottom. That's what it is, right? Another 15 minutes. We did take it. They should cover. Five more minutes. Look at that candle, mate. The only problem is it's just the first initial 1 minute of the 5-minute candle, so we can't trust that. But who knows? We might get a solid 5-minute candle pumping into 61. Like so far, but it's a bearish day. We're counter trading this, which was good at the open, but I thought we were gonna go up there and grab even that liquidity. How much of the gap we took? %. That was the London sell sign. So yeah, 50% is also a mark. Yeah, I think this is the end. You can't be right all the time. It might just drop and come back up here. 57, so 3 more minutes. One minute. And I can go and drop and grab this bottom. Or pump it. I think we're just gonna go down at this point. There was this moment here when there was a good place where we're supposed to go higher, and we didn't do it. And at the back of my head was this like, wait a second, why we're not pushing on this candle? We should be pushing. trying to push high, and we didn't do it. It was a failure. And then they keep trying and trying. Should have recognized it and get out. I had an opportunity to get out for, in a green, little green, break even kind of situation. All right. So now it's lunchtime. No, it's not lunchtime yet, but I am outside of my normal trading hours. Still sitting in this bad trade. Heavy. And I think this is gonna dump it, and then we might reverse. I could do that. Just see Nasdaq. Where's the level for the Nasdaq? Okay. I have to call it a day. That was a good short. Now I'm thinking like, yeah, it was a down day. It was a good short. Stayed a bit longer in the short would have made a big difference. So yeah, they're gonna go there. I don't think they're gonna go there because there's no liquidity down there. So we should bounce. We should bounce from here. A lot of liquidity on the 15 minutes, so we got 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, somewhere here. They have collected another 15-minute candle. We may push into this level here. It's 58. They say 58. I said 58, yeah. There's the 61 as well. Let's give him a little bit of time. What Nasdaq is doing. Mm. One tick. Doesn't make any difference, but on the price, but can make a difference here. So front running will cause the price to go higher. How about now? Pump. Yeah, if we were trading Apex, I would be very, very close to blow up, but still, still work because we made some money at the open. So that was Apex account. And there's a threshold of $2,500. A lot of volume here. POC shifted to the bottom. This is not going up. No, sir. No, sir. That is not going up. A volume has been built here. That means that we're going to pull low and then, yeah, we can push higher a bit later. I think yeah, that short after all wasn't that bad. Just too early. Well, yeah, I did recognize there's something going on here, something not right with the logs, and I went short here, instinctively reversed. That is impatience because I should have taken time, wait, get a better position to go short, and I didn't do it. But these are the little, those little things that make the difference between winning and losing. But that looks like we got finally front running of that level. We are getting a push. So let's see. Where's the candle? Candle is up here. 57. I'm not gonna overstay my welcome if I get into this area. I'm just gonna close that for sure. I am going to close this for sure. The moment we get in here. Even I think that now they might even go higher, but I don't know, man. Well, let's look at this here. Let's look at this thing here. I'll have my finger on the button anyway. Okay, bullish for leg up. Very good candle. That's Ed. That's Ed. That is Ed. You got to be in this thing, man. I know I'm just going a bit too far, but that is it. Look at this candle. Boom. I would like to see time and sales now. I would like to see delta on that thing, on this candle, and time and sales. But the momentum shifted. Looks like we can get a nice push higher. Yeah, the danger is that they did sell into this 5-minute candle, this one. Ooh. Oh man. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. No mercy for me today. No mercy. That was just a little. Do I want to reverse this one more time? Yeah, it was a good buy, but not on a down day. This is negative day. And yeah, this thing is just. Now they're gonna go and grab it. Okay. Just don't reverse, man. Just close. And that's it. Okay, 2 more minutes. Where's the 15-minute candle? Here is another 15-minute candle. That's what we're gonna have here in a second. I'll try to push. Yeah, so I have overstayed my welcome here, making good money here. I should have just walked away. And that is a common theme in my trading. I will make some money at the open, and then I will give it back, and then I will blow out the account. Very common thing. But we're working on that thing. We are working on it. We are working on it. Because we are $1,000 out today. In half an hour of trading. I don't need to trade 1 hour and a half or longer. That's not required. We're still holding this level. That means that we might just climb it back up here and try to sell into this level. That would not surprise me if we do that. if we did that. Walk away is the key. You made your money, walk away. Don't trade because there's more time. Don't trade. And it's a down day. Look at that. We're just basically going down all day long. That's the problem. A lot of liquidity here. It's just, I still think we're gonna just push higher at some point. At least to this level here. Or at least here, but most likely there. It's a lot of shorts, like so many people shorting that. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. There you go. So, yes, we do have this 15-minute candle. Are they going to push higher? Are they going to push into this one? It's pretty much where my level is to take profit. It's 19 past. At 5:30 we could be up here and then even higher. We could easily go up there to 61. Okay, a lot of liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity up here. We could even go up there. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We will do that. We'll try to. Okay, we'll try to grab that just in front of VWAP. Where's VWAP anyway? VWAP is here. Okay, it's 58. 58. So no, our viewer will stop us. Now we have to close here. Right, see how they pushed into that 15, immediately sold. What are we doing? But the real liquidity is up here. You know, that push here is okay. But this one would be much better. So they sold into this 15-minute candle, not a lot of liquidity on this candle up here. So expect an extra push there. Yeah. Good. And to be honest, what I want to do, I want this, and I'm gonna actually close free, sell free here. And we're gonna run the rest. Let's see if that works. Yeah, well, look at that. I think they're gonna get me now. Basically, I have to treat this like if we get down here, that means my account is blown on Apex. That's pretty much what that means in terms of, yeah. Yeah, for sure they're gonna go down there. All right, so that was all. That was the last chance to get out with the small loss, which I didn't use. And now I'm pretty sure it's just gonna push through this thing. So let's try. I don't know why this thing goes so slow. I don't know when I bought it. Did I buy it here? Oh, yeah. Well, let's try. This is my last attempt. Into this order block. Target somewhere here. And obviously it might not work. Yeah. Yeah, of course. So they grab the liquidity and now they're gonna drive, right? Yeah, it's lunchtime, they don't need to. Now they grab the liquidity. Beautiful. Idiot. Complete idiot. Alright, let's fucking go along one more time then. This is what you do, revenge trading. This like watch this, man. Watch this. This is what happens. This is what happens. Just become crazy, you go back and forth. Everybody has done it. Everybody has done this. But that looks good, this grab. I mean, I was slightly in profit. I thought we are gonna just, push it a bit somewhere here. But it didn't happen. And now we're gonna drive this price higher. Because they don't need to go lower anymore. I mean, like how many times we've been here, how much money they made, and they don't need to do it. I mean, this account will be blown up, but if I had a second one, I will be long on this 100%. So yeah, my stop loss will be somewhere here. No, basically somewhere here. That's it. You can't go lower than that. If it goes lower than that, that means. There you go. There you go. Boom. Add even more. And so now we're going to drive this up here. And maybe even here. Yeah, probably here. Look at this candle. So that was the chance to get out. I didn't get out. But Now it's chance to go long. I'm long. And let's see if it's going to work. Yeah, it should work now. Look at that. 15 minutes grabbing. It should work now. Well, anyway, our lesson from today is you have opening trade. You made 700 on the drop. We made like 400 or something. Just walk away, really, mate. Just walk away. I was actually thinking about going along here off that drop, but it didn't happen. We got the push and the fall, and that's the worst thing when you turn around a positive day. Even this is a simulator, shouldn't you might think, oh fuck, what is this thing doing? But I'm looking at this as a real trading. If I was trading Apex. So now I'll be sitting in another account, and the first account will be blown. This will be a second account, and I will be like, okay, well, let's see how much we can get on that bounce. Today is it's a short day, but it would not surprise me if we push. I mean, for sure here we may even go up there 73 by the end of the day. I mean, like, well, after lunch or something, or during lunch, we'll just climb there. Okay, so we have another 15 minutes now here. I think we're climbing back. Yeah, so they did take that liquidity, right? 46, 45, that's not a lot of. Yeah, but the drop was 48, 45. Okay. I'm gonna stop this video here. Need to pick up the phone.